Window replacement. Vonore TN is a crucial service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. Our team specializes in energy-efficient windows, ensuring that your home or commercial space benefits from reduced energy costs and improved comfort. Whether you're interested in double-pane windows or vinyl windows, we offer a wide range of options to suit your needs. For those seeking custom windows in Vonore, our window design services provide tailored solutions that match your unique style and preferences. We offer comprehensive window consultation services to help you choose the best window styles and designs for your property. Our window measurement services ensure a perfect fit, enhancing both the appearance and functionality of your windows. Window replacement services in Vonore are essential for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows. Our experts handle everything from window frame replacement to window glass replacement, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. We also offer window sealing services to prevent drafts and improve insulation, contributing to a more energy-efficient home. Residential window replacement, Vonore TN is made easy with our affordable window installation services. We provide a detailed window replacement cost estimate, ensuring transparency and helping you plan your budget effectively. Our window contractor team in Vonore TN is experienced and reliable, delivering high-quality results every time. Commercial window services in Vonore TN cater to businesses looking to upgrade their windows for better energy efficiency and security. Our window upgrade services include the latest in window hardware and window safety features, ensuring your commercial property is both stylish and secure. We also offer window maintenance services to keep your windows in optimal condition year-round. Vinyl window replacement. Vonore TN is a popular choice for those seeking durability and low maintenance. Our vinyl windows are designed to withstand the elements while providing excellent insulation. We also offer window cleaning services to keep your windows looking pristine and clear, enhancing your property's curb appeal. Window warranty in Vonore provides peace of mind, ensuring that your investment is protected. Our warranties cover a range of issues, from manufacturing defects to installation errors, giving you confidence in the longevity and performance of your windows. We also offer window consultation services to help you understand your warranty options and make informed decisions. Energy-efficient windows in Vonore TN are a smart investment for any property owner. Our double-pane windows are designed to reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This not only enhances comfort but also reduces your energy bills, making energy-efficient windows a cost-effective choice.